Now, let us try to understand how to write improper fraction as a mixed fraction, or how to convert improper to mixed fraction. So, do you remember what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is something like this. If I write 4 over 3, why is it improper? It is improper because my numerator is higher, right? Similarly, I can write 7 over 2. This is also improper. Improper because my numerator is higher than denominator. How about this? 9 over 4. This is also improper. Why is it improper? Because I have a numerator which is higher. Correct? Now these fractions could be written as a mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a fraction in which we have a whole and a fraction. Okay. So now let's try to see how we can write them as a mixed fraction. One way to do it is divide your numerator by denominator. So let's do that way. So we have a numerator of 4, so we'll divide it like this. So we'll write here inside 4 and we'll try to divide 4 by 3. So 3 goes in 4 one time, so 3 times 1 is 3, and when you take away 3 you get 1 remainder. So it means 1 whole 1 out of 3. So I can write this as 1 whole 1 out of 3 as a mixed fraction. So it becomes a mixed fraction. 1 whole 1 out of 3. That's how we do it. Okay. Let's try with 7 over 2. So 7 over 2, if you divide, so what do you get? So let's do 7 over 2. So you have to write 7 inside and divide by 2. 2 goes in 7 3 times, right? 3 times 2 is 6 and you get 1. So 3 wholes, right? So let me write this as 3 wholes and a half. Perfect. How about 9 over 4? Well, I will leave that for you. You can divide 9 by 4 and then figure out. But now you have understood how to write improper fraction to a mixed fraction, right? You need to divide. Another way is to do with the help of a figure. 4 thirds is come. That means what? 4 out of 3. Okay. How can you get 4 out of 3? That is difficult, right? Let's think about it. So let's have 1/3 first. So let's have pieces like this, and we will divide this piece into 3 equal parts. So we'll have this piece into 3 equal parts. Okay. So you got 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, but we need 4. Oh, okay. So we need one more piece. Okay. So let's have one more piece here. So we have one more piece, and let's divide this also into 3 equal parts like this. Now we can shade 4. So this is 1/3. Do you see this? 1/3. This is 2/3, right? 3/3 and 4th. This is my 4th. Okay. So how much did I shade? 1 whole and 1 out of 3. Do you see that? 1 whole 1 out of 3 and good 1 whole 1 out of 3. Do you see that? Yes. So we got the same answer. Let's try this time. This time what we will do? We'll make 4. We know we need 3 wholes, right? So let's make 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to divide them into how many parts? Denominator is 2. So 2 equal parts. Let's then divide into 2 equal halves. Okay. And then we take how many? 7 halves, right? 7 halves. 7 halves means 1 half, 2 half, 3 half, 4 half, 5, 6 and 7, right? Right, that's correct. So we got 7 out of 2, 7 halves. And 1 full, 2 full, 3 full and a half, 3 and a half. Do you see that? That is how we understand improper fraction. And this is the way to write it as a mixed fraction. 3 wholes and a half. 3 and a half becomes 7 over 2. Okay, that's correct. Can you do this one on your own? Okay, if you have difficulty, write your comments. I will help you out. Okay, thank you.